Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk today. I'm really excited about this one because we're diving into a fascinating topic, the world of open source generalist AI agents, specifically focusing on a tool called Suna. So, what is Suna and why should we care? Let's break it down. Have you ever wished you had a digital assistant who could help you tackle complex tasks, conduct research, or even automate your daily challenges? Well, that's exactly what Suna aims to do. It's an open-source AI assistant that combines powerful automation tools and a user-friendly interface to make managing tasks a breeze. So what makes Suna different from other AI tools out there? Picture this. You've got a colleague who not only understands your needs, but also has a toolbox that includes everything from browser automation and file management to data analysis and real-time data extraction. Suna is like that colleague, ready to assist you with various tasks, all done through natural conversations. You simply tell Suna what you need and it gets to work. Let's talk about its architecture a bit, which consists of four main components. The backend API that's built with Python and Fast API, the front end running on Next.js and React, the agent environment managed through Docker, and the Supabase database for data management. Each piece plays an essential role in creating a seamless experience for users. Use cases and real-world applications. Now you might be wondering, okay, but what can I actually do with Suna? Here are some fascinating use cases that illustrate its versatility. 1. Competitor analysis. Imagine you're starting a healthcare company in the UK. You just type in your request, and voila, Suna provides you with a detailed report on your competitors, including their strengths and weaknesses. 2. Event planning. Planning a company trip. Suna can whip up a complete itinerary based on current weather forecasts, taking into account how many people are going and where you're departing from. Job candidate search. Suna can automate the process of finding job candidates by scouring platforms like LinkedIn, even filtering based on specific qualifications like degree and experience. 4. SEO analysis. If you run a website, you'd appreciate how Suna can analyze your site and suggest improvements based on keyword performance. Those are just a few examples, but the potential applications really seem endless. Now, for those who might be thinking of setting this up themselves, you'd need some prerequisites like a Supabase project for your database, a Redis database for session management, and API keys for LLM providers like OpenAI. You'll also go through a somewhat technical installation process, but luckily, documentation is clear and comprehensive. I remember when I first tried to use one of these self-hosted tools. Let's just say there was a bit of trial and error, but the feeling of getting it up and running, a bit like getting a piece of IKEA furniture together, super satisfying once you've got everything in place. To wrap things up, Suna represents a significant advancement in how we can leverage AI for everyday tasks. It simplifies complex processes, empowers users with data-driven insights, and automates those time-consuming tasks that we often dread. So what do you think? Would you consider using an open-source AI assistant like Suna in your daily life or work? Or perhaps you have experiences with other tools that you found particularly helpful. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Stay curious, and don't forget to explore the fascinating world of technology around you. Until next time.